Okay, I'm here. No, that's not it. Next building? Yeah, next building. Okay, yep, there it is. There's the sign. Hard to miss. Customer entrance? Well, don't mind if I do. All right. Let's see what we can do about all these bills. I'll be right back. All right, well, they weren't like super helpful, but they still pointed me in the right direction, so we'll see if I can get some more information from Babe, and I gotta go talk to somebody else. Oh God, what a pain. What a pain, man. We'll see what we can do. I called Babe. I let her know what was going on, but I think it's just best to get everything off of eBay. Apparently there is some kind of thing that you do. You know, you set up the account and they will, you tell them how much it weighs, what the dimensions are, and they give you a set price. And then when FedEx got it, when it got to whatever area, distribution center, etc., we weighed it and remeasured it and said, no, those measurements aren't right. These are the measurements, so we need to charge more. I don't know if it was worth $500 more. Holy smokes, that's a lot of money. But now I gotta go talk to somebody else. So it's gonna be a bunch of running around. Talk to this person, talk to that person. You talk to them, I'll talk to them, we'll talk to them together. You get my point, right? I'm sure you do. Talking to the other camera like it's on. It's not. I think the battery died. No flashy light isn't going. Gotta recharge that little guy. Battery doesn't last long. Anyway, that's that for now. Wait through this traffic, get to the other side, go to the FedEx store. I was at the FedEx distribution center thinking that they'd be able to help me, but they couldn't. So I'll go talk to these people over here. At the FedEx store. See if they can be of any kind of help. I'm kind of guessing they won't, but we'll see. Anyway, I will talk to everyone in a bit. I gotta change the battery out in the camera. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm back. Rode through the little town of Youngwood, and I had to go the roundabout way, the back roads, so to speak. I go back into Greensburg, go to the bank, then I have to go to the FedEx store. See if they can be of any help. I probably should have started there to begin with, but I thought the distribution center would be the way to go. It was not. They're no help, really. I mean, yeah, they kind of gave me a point in the right direction, but I go out here and see what they have to say. Stop at the bank first, so we'll head there next. I hope everyone's enjoying the ride. I know I am. It's sunny out, but man, it's still cold. I got my new gloves on. I don't know if you guys can see those. I'll do a review on them later, but right now, maybe just because they're not completely broken in, I don't really care for them. The throttle hand, that webbing in between your pointer finger and your thumb there, right in between there, I don't like it. Pinches in there, especially when I'm on the throttle. Maybe it just needs to get wore in a little bit, the leather. But it's not really comfortable. For today, it'll work, yeah, because it's all I got. The other pair of gloves that I do have, they got some holes in them. I mean, I looked at them, I think they're like 6 years old, 7 years old. And the holes showed up probably about 2 years ago. So I just could never find another right pair of gloves, and I just decided on these because they look comfortable. And when I was wearing them in the store at M&M Leather, you guys remember that, don't you? The M&M Leather, they were comfortable there, but on the bike with my hands on the grips, not so much, you know. I don't know, like I said, maybe they're not worn in, I don't know. You know, I'll just wait and find out for right now. We'll see how things go, and then make my final determination from there. And if you're wondering, yes, I stopped at that stop sign, and that, yes, is in air quotes. I stopped there. Now back through wild and wonderful West Virginia. No, Greensburg. Ha, fooled you. Go around all the damn manhole covers they got in this town. I don't know why there are so many manhole covers. That is completely uncalled for. A lot of things going on with traffic here. Dude. Lights green, let's go. Lights green, let's go. Yeah, you can't cross the street there. That's why we have crosswalks, lady. That's why people get hit by cars. Because they just want to take the shortcut. That's right. Just want to take the shortcut. Hey, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 manhole covers right there. 5. Damn things are everywhere. And now I'm hungry. Well, that figures. I'll stop somewhere for lunch. Maybe I'll go to Chick-fil-A. It's not Sunday, so they're open. You ever notice that? The only time you get hungry for Chick-fil-A is on a Sunday when they're closed. Oh man. I got squeaky brakes. That's annoying. I replaced everything. I don't know why they squeak. Cleaned everything off. Nope, didn't make it. I'll stop here. Oh, that's some of the heat from the engine come up. What's the temperature now? It's like 50, 52 maybe. It's only supposed to get up to 59. Not going to be that warm today. I think later in the week it's supposed to be a little bit warmer, maybe reaching 70. Ah, well. Summer's around the corner, I hope. We'll get there then. Warm weather. June's coming. We got a trip planned in June. Our Bowling Green, Kentucky, which I'm really kind of excited about. We haven't taken a trip since October when we were down there, Tail the Dragon. That was a pretty awesome trip. I really liked that. If you have not gone, I highly recommend it. Of course, I would go when it's a little bit warmer out. October is not really the time you want to go because you don't know what kind of weather you're going to get. Oh, well. FedEx office was of no help. Guess I got to call customer service and have them give me a better explanation of what is going on. Turn that little guy on. There we go. I don't know how long that little battery is going to last. Okay. Let's go. was pretty disappointing. I mean, the guy was understandable and all, but there's nothing he can do. That's where I dropped everything off at, was that particular store. He said all they do is just take everything in. The UPS driver shows up, picks it up. Yeah, this guy here. Picks it up, takes it back to the distribution center or whatever, and he goes, and that's all he does. Go home. Maybe the grass is dry enough now I can whack that down to a reasonable level. I'm hungry too. Go home, have some lunch, get all that done before babe gets home. Maybe she'll want to go to bike night tonight. Go back to Z&M. You guys remember that? That's where Dad got his bike at the other day. I always put on nice stuff over there. I mean, they go all out for these parties and, you know, just organized activities. Always got live bands there, good food, hang out, talk to people, check out other bikes. It's always a good time over there. But anyway, that is all. I appreciate everyone coming to ride with me today. Didn't get anything accomplished at FedEx, but hey, I got to the bank. That was the most important thing. Deposit the money. Take care of that. Everyone, please remember, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification so you guys are notified when we upload new videos. I try to do that every Friday at lunchtime. I appreciate you guys coming along with me today. See you later. Oh, damn manhole covers. Say hi to our 16 subscribers.